Hello all, today in this video I am going to show to test the mango leaf disease classification with the normal Relu function by using an GUI code. So previously also we have done this, but in this the variable will be the variable will be net transfer p, but here it is net transfer r, since we have saved the Relu function, that is Relu function code in net transfer r only. So only we are just using the net transfer r. So now we are going to run the code. First we can work with Anthronus image. In Anthronus, we are getting nearly 99% accuracy. For every image it will get some variation, and also we are displaying a message box. So if it is Anthronus means a message box will appear. If for every different images message box will be appear, and it will also be different, and also the accuracy for every image will be different. So next we can try with the third. So you can see the accuracy is also different, and also the message is different. But if you are trying with the different images with the now we tried this image, so now we can try some other image. The message will be same, since it's the same classification, but the accuracy will vary. Previously it was 80 something, now it is 98 something. For every images the accuracy will get varying. So dieback also we are trying, we are just classifying the each classes, and we are just seeing what is the warning message we are getting for every classes. So then we can just check with the call image, a random image in call image, and then I am just using the classify image. We got the call image and also its accuracy. Then we got a warning message what we have to do if it is an all image mango disease, and then we can just check with the healthy plant. So healthy leaf, whether it is providing the healthy leaf classification as it is. Yes, it is providing. The accuracy is 79%. So if it is healthy means there is no step needed. So we are just displaying it in a message. To display this warning message we are just using if functions. So then the boundary mildew, some I'm just selecting some random images in this boundary window and classifying it. Now we can see we are getting nearly 99% accuracy. And for poultry image, or if it is an poultry mildew mango leaf disease, we have to do this process. Then the final classification, we are just finding with the final classification. So if it is a scooty mold, I am just selecting a random image and just I'm classifying it. So you can see this is the warning message obtained for that, and this is the accuracy. So this is the testing of mango leaf disease activation classification with the normal Relu activation function. So in the next video we can see with some other tutorials related to MATLAB, Python and Vika. Thank you.